Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, White Cloud Ranch, Arizona. Just want to give a quick update. Came up to the land, did a little work, cleaned up a little bit. A few months ago, the wife and I buried some turmeric from Puerto Rico, and I want to show you. Look at that. Look at that. Going up there. Coming back there. Just unbelievable. Went back over here. So yeah. Oh, and I'll show you real quick. I put some potato shoots in the ground about 3 weeks ago, and look at that. Not bad, not bad. We'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.